So now the question number 3 is given as 6x minus y whole cube minus 5x plus twice y whole cube. So this question I will not solve. You have to solve. I am going to just explaining the question. Okay. So it is in the format. This question is in the format of a cube minus b cube. Here a is given as 6x minus y and b is given as 5x plus twice y. So you can use the formula a minus b whole into a square plus ab plus b square, or again you can solve this question in another way, like here it is given a minus b whole cube. So you can expand this quantity, or as you can expand 6x minus y whole cube by the formula a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, minus it is given as a plus b whole cube. So you can solve in any way. Okay, so just show me your answers. So let's discuss question number 4. It is given x plus y whole cube plus x minus y whole cube. It is very easy question. So it is in the format a plus b whole cube, and we all know that a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, in place of a x is given, in place of b y is given. Again it is given a minus b whole cube. It is given in the format of a minus b whole cube. So in place of a, again x is given, and in place of b y is given. So here we can cancel. These two terms are like terms, 3x square y minus 3x x square y. One is plus, another one is minus, so it will be cancelled out, or 3x square y minus 3x square y will be 0. Again y cube minus y cube is again 0, so I am cancelling these 4 terms, and there will be remaining x cube, and x cube is twice x cube. 3xy square and 3xy square is 3 plus 3 6xy square. So this is our answer. So now question number 5 is 4 minus b whole cube plus 4 plus b whole cube plus 3 4 minus b whole square into 4 plus b plus 3 4 minus b into 4 plus b whole square. Can you notice that this question is following an identity? Okay, it is it in the format of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, it is in the format of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, and which is our identity a plus b whole cube. So here in place of a 4 minus b is given, and in place of b 4 plus b is given. So in place of a plus b whole cube I have to write 4 minus b plus 4 plus b whole cube. Okay, so I to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square formatot ase, aru eitu formula kar saman asil, a plus b whole cube formula saman asil. Yat a ঠাইত কেৱল কি আছে 4 minus b আছে, আৰু b ঠাইত কি আছে 4 plus b আছে. Okay, 4 plus b আছে. গতিকে এইখিনি ঠাইত তাৰমানে মই যদি এইখিনি সমান মই এইটো লিখিব পাৰো a plus b whole cube লিখিব পাৰো, তেন্তে এইটো তো সেম ফৰ্মেটত আছে, গতিকে এইটোক মই লিখিব পাৰো 4 minus b plus 4 plus b whole cube হ'ব. গতিকে minus b ইয়াত প্লাস আছে, গতিকে প্লাসে হ'ব, এইখিনি একো চেঞ্জ নহয়. So minus b again plus b minus b 0, 4 plus 4 8, so it will be 8 cube. Okay, again we all know that 8 cube is 512 or 512. Okay, this is our answer. So next question you have to do, or you have to try. Okay, try yourself. So question number 7 is x square minus 1 plus twice x square minus 1 minus twice x. So you can clearly see that here x square minus 1 is same, also twice x same. Here plus given but here minus given, so this is the difference, but all the quantities are same. So can I write this term as, or this quantity as x square minus 1 plus twice x, and can I write this quantity as x square minus 1 minus twice x? So these two quantities or this question is following an identity, which is a plus b into a minus b. In place of a, x square minus 1 is given, and in place of b, twice x is given, which is our identity a square minus b square. In place of a, here x square minus 1 is given, and in place of b, twice x is given. So our answer will be a square minus b square, that is x square minus 1 whole square minus twice x whole square. And it is again in the format of a minus b whole square, which is a square minus twice ab plus b square. And minus twice x whole square means what? 2 square into x square. 2 square means 4. 4 into x square. So x square, it will be x square minus 1 whole square will be x square whole square minus twice x square into 1 plus 1 square. A square minus twice ab plus b square. Again x square whole square means what? 2 into 2, 4. Minus x twice x square into 1 means twice x square, plus 1 square means 1, minus 4x square. Again these two are like terms, minus 2x square minus 4x square, it will be minus 6x square. So our answer is x to the power 4 minus 6x square plus 1. So after just practice these questions. By practicing the questions will be easier to you all. Okay, so if you have any doubt, let me know. Thank you.